Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to insert logo to a video on CapCut. So maybe you want to add your own logo to your video as a watermark, and here I'm going to show you how. So you just need to click on overlay and then add overlay, and here choose your own logo. So in this case here, for example, it's my logo, so you need to make sure that the logo is on the PNG format and it has transparent background, so it will make you easier to edit to CapCut. And you can adjust it the length to the same as the video, like this for example. And here the logo is actually usually put at the top right or left a video, so here I'm going to just go with left and I'm going to make it smaller. Whoops, like this, and then I'm going to put it at the top left corner. So it'll go like that, and you can also adjust the opacity if you don't want it to looks obvious. You can just adjust the opacity and lower it like this. So I'm going to go with 40 I think, and then click on a check icon, and here is your logo in your video. Okay guys, so that is how you can add logo to CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.